don't matter.
New Egypt, motherfuckers!
Ghost!
Ghost!
Coming back. Oh shit, you're all assed up. Hold on.
I want to get on.
Well, run and get on!
No. There's not enough room.
Yo, we got next! Something bad's about to happen.
Go!
What rednecks do for fun?
Mom!
I started a video at the top of it started. Dude,
Yo, I'm finishing it. How was the ride, guys?
perfect.
How was the ride, guys?
Here's your beers.
Oh,
Put down the camera.
that was best.
I can't believe that.
Johnny, could you imagine 2 years ago?
Come on.
Vote?
All right.
Come on.
Garrett, I had.
I was supposed to
I had
grab you
a,
2 beers.
You know